Hey, Mark Harbert here, and in this video, we're going to talk about a few YouTube tips and tricks that you can use to get more views, more traffic to your websites using YouTube videos, so stick around. So here on my channel, I talk about free traffic, free tips, free strategies on how to help you build a thriving home business. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed. Make sure you tick that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a free training. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips that can really help you get more juice, so to speak, out of each video that you upload. So let's go ahead and let's talk about number 1. Number 1 is every video that you do, you really should consider adding a transcript to your video. Now there's a couple things that you can do. If you notice, when you upload a video, YouTube actually transcribes your video for you and they add captions to your video. Now if you notice when you read these, the captions are really bad. Okay, now YouTube has an automated robot system that listens to what you're saying in your video, and they actually do a really poor job at it. So one of the things that you can do is there's a really cool website that I like to use called rev.com. That's rev.com. And rev.com at the time of this video does captions for your videos for $1 a minute. So if you create a 10-minute video, they will caption that video for $10. And what's really cool about Rev is that they can integrate with your actual YouTube channel so that it happens automatically. So every time you upload a video, it'll automatically trigger in Rev and it'll go over and transcribe your video for you, make sure that it's properly done, and it really works very well. Now, why would you want to do this? Why would you want to add transcriptions or a transcript to your video? Well, there's really a couple reasons. One of the main reasons is, number 1, YouTube really appreciates the fact that you put effort into the caption process. And the reason being is because, of course, there's people that come to YouTube that are deaf or they can't hear. They want to be able to know that you've got that on your video, and that's giving YouTube something that it wants. They really want that. That's why YouTube really has a robotic one to at least try to get some captions on every single video, because they know that there are millions of people out there who cannot hear. So that, number 1, helps. But it's also about user experience. If people want to watch captions while you speak, what happens if you say something and they didn't quite catch what you said? Well, they can read it in the transcript as well. So those are a couple of the user experience reasons that you want to make sure that you use and put it on your video. Now, the other cool thing is that not only doing that will help user experience, but it also helps with your SEO or your rankings when people type in keywords. Now, in your captions or your transcript, you want to make sure that you have your particular keyword that you are attempting to rank for. And you want to make sure that you put that in the transcription of your video. This will help increase rankings, because what happens is when YouTube is trying to determine what is the content of your video, that's one of the areas they can go and check out to see what it's all about. And if your keyword is in there, it's only going to help your rankings. So this one will really help with engagement, and it will also help your rankings. So transcripts are a huge deal. All right, so point number 2 are use playlists. Playlists are a great way on YouTube to, number 1, take videos that have similar topics and put them into a playlist that people can check out. Now, one of the benefits of playlists is that when you have a playlist, number 1, it ranks inside of YouTube. Now, if you go in and type a particular keyword, you'll notice that there are playlists that actually rank in YouTube. And that's where you can click on it, and you'll come up and you'll notice along the side that there are all these additional videos, and it's a playlist. So what happens is people can watch one of your videos and it will play another after another of as many that are in that playlist. And you want to keep your playlist centered around a particular theme. So like with my channel, you know, I talk about traffic strategies, I talk about affiliate marketing, network marketing, and home business. And what happens is I try to group them into topics that really are all similar, but all are in the overarching big theme of my channel. So playlists are a great way for people to stay organized. It's a great way for them to view content that's similar to what they were searching for. And it's a really great way to increase views and increase watch time on your videos, which is really one of the major ranking factors with YouTube. All right. So we've talked about captions. We talked about playlists. And what's number 3? Number 3 is timestamps. Now, this is actually a very, very underutilized feature. Now, one of the things that I like to do in my videos is I like to use timestamps. And basically what timestamps are is in the description of your video, you can put like little video bookmarks inside of the description. And what these are points in the video that reference certain points. So for instance, if you look in the description of this video, with my 3 key points that I'm talking about, what I'm doing is I'm bookmarking where those begin in the video. So, you know, a lot of times you may have a very large video or very long video. Let's say you have a video that's 30 minutes and you want to highlight in that video the 3 major points for those people to go to, or 5 major points, or 7 or 10. And you want to highlight those where they are in the video. You can put those bookmarkers in the description and your users can actually go and kind of scan that and find out where those major points are that they want to get the information. This is very, very beneficial to your users, and it's something that YouTube gives you, so why not use it? It's all about giving your audience what they want. And if you can help them navigate your content and really get to the things that matter to them the most, you're going to get love from YouTube, because really, ultimately, that's what they're out for. They're out for user experience. If you can give them a better user experience, YouTube will show you the love and they'll push you to the top of the search engines in terms of YouTube search. And sometimes that even translates over to Google search as well. You can end up on the first page of Google for particular keywords. Now, these are 3 of really good tips that I think if you start implementing them every time you upload a video, you're going to really start to see that you'll enjoy the results that you get. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and make sure you click that little notification bell, because every time I upload a video, you want to make sure that you get access to it. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.